Welcome to a little bonus episode. I think sometimes I cut the video a bit short when I do that. And I'll just cut whatever I'm saying off. Anyway, Sunday, 10 o'clock, very warm. Got a few hours before we have to go pick the wife up from work, and then we go for ice cream and stuff. I was going to work on the front of the car and finish welding the bar off at the front, but as you can see, sun at the front. I could turn the car around really, but I've just pulled it out. I put a bit of fill on the rear wing yesterday. The rear wings I've picked up, some of the body kit's all second hand, so there are lots of cracks on the edges and chips and stuff, so I think we just spend a couple of hours doing a bit of body work, I think. Because I bought some rubber seal the other day, not the official seal, because I found somebody that does that. It's very expensive, just for 2 bits that go down the wings. I just really can't afford that, so we picked up some cheap stuff off eBay. It's a lot smaller, a bit different, may not work, but it was only £5. So yeah, let's get the wing and do a bit of sanding on it. There we go, we've got the one rear wing. As you can see, I went along with a filler yesterday. It was going off, I did, so I'm not too sure if I put enough in, but I'm just trying to basically rebuild this edge, you know, to make it a nice sort of corner. I think the other thing we're going to do is pick up some more fiberglass resin. I'm thinking of getting rid of the fuel caps, because obviously this is where, depending on whether it was left or right hand drive, I guess, and depending on whatever, but basically on one side you always had the fuel cap at the back here. We don't have that, and I'm thinking it'd be nicer just to go straight along there just for the rubber seal. But I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, let's get the old block. We'll start with a block on a bit of 80 grit, wherever it's gone. Where's my block gone? Block! Realising I am in the shade, but again, definitely not something you want to be doing in a farm shed. 25 degrees. Okay, I've just gone over the DA as well a bit because I'm getting lazy. There's a few bits that I need to put filler into because I'm not brilliant, so I'll do that. Just clean your lens. And I've I've filled in some bits that are designed for where the seal's supposed to go in, but I've filled those for the moment because, as I said, I haven't got the correct seal. And again, these panels are way old and all deformed and all sorts, so yeah, let's just get a bit of filler in it. I do apologise for all the bodywork guys out there that are watching me do this. Yeah. Feel free to volunteer to come down and do it. Woo-hoo. Oh, it's hot. Hey, it's hot and we're not getting much done. So I just started sanding down around the filler. And where the old filler was. I'm not going to go too berserk. I'm trying to block it down the best I can, but half of that panel anyway is covered by the body kit anyway, so we'll just blend it in the best we can. It's a rally car anyway, doing it white anyway, so that hides up loads of my bad bodywork. And so basically, changing my mind again about what I'm doing, just getting a good idea about loads of things while the other fillers dry. I might just try and knock up a CAD template just for this inner wing and just see how that goes. For any of the new people not around, the older people will know that I'm quite into using Old-Foreskins for spare metal. Why not? It's still pretty solid. Well, it is solid, and it's mostly thicker than the modern stuff, and it's mostly got less atomic atoms and things, and where atomic bombs have gone off in the years. Although that would have been built 60, so I think the atomic bomb would have gone off by then. So that's a bit stupid. Anyway. Yeah, so we'll just cut that out, give it a fold, and yeah, see if it makes any use and makes our inner arch any good. I made it a bit too long, but that's okay. It's always good to make it longer. So I'm thinking, we'll trim that down, that welds and stitch weld that along to the top, and then obviously we come off the turret back onto that, and that blocks off all that in there, and hopefully stop some crap going up to the top of the wheel arch there. So I think on that. Okie dokie, we've trimmed it down. I think we're just going to go for it. We've drilled some holes for some plug welds. Yeah, and we'll just have to see how it looks, aren't we? We just have to, if it don't work out, we'll cut it off and do it again. You know, God knows, do we? I ain't got a clue. Plugged along there, give or take. That's all right. Yeah, clean my lens. Whoop, falling over. So I've still got to do the weld, stitch welding along there, but I'll just leave it for now. I'm not. I've got to get going. I've got to clean up. So yeah, I think that'll do. We've got a good 4 or 5 inches of clearance still. Maybe we could have come a bit more there, but I think we're all right. In the end, if the wheel comes up higher than it needs to, it will make its own space, won't it? You know, science and takes after itself sometimes. Einstein and all that, equal and opposite. So someone just sent me a Facebook message. Anyway, not too sure what's for tea, but I had the fish and chips last night, so actually we've still got the little enchilada ready meal, so I expect we'll just go with that. But yeah, it's not looking too bad, is it? It'll do, won't it? Yeah. And then we just got some filler running off these, just drying off now. And yeah, thank you for the foreskin. Alright, little update. May do a bit more later, if I come back later. Otherwise, this is going to be the end of the video. Hit the like, subscribe. Want to help, check out the link below. If you've got any parts that you think could be useful on this car, give me a shout as well. You know what I'm missing, you can see it. Or you think, oh, hey, after roof vents, bucket seats, harnesses, Rover boot catch, which I seem to have 2 of, and I've lost both of them. So, yeah. And anybody love bodywork? Because I don't.